Hello, welcome to the demo on how to use our EPA at Home virtual platform. I'm Sarah from the EPA. If you're new to EPA events, this is our monthly networking event, usually held on the first Tuesday of every month. The EPA at Home will be alternating between a virtual event one month and the next will be an in-person event at a bar in central London. It's an opportunity to bring together our EPA members and their guests for a couple of hours of networking. We often have an insightful fireside chat from our sponsor, and there's the chance to participate in some topic table discussions. So, to the platform. Google Chrome or Firefox are the recommended browsers to give you the optimum experience. It is best to use a laptop and one that connects without any work VPN firewalls, as they can prevent your camera and microphone from working. This is a networking event, so although you in no way need to be suited and booted, your camera and microphone will be on. So once you're logged on, you can jump from table to table by double-clicking on an empty seat. So here I am on table 1, I'm going to head over to table 2 by clicking there, or I might head down to a topic table by double-clicking down here. Along the bottom toolbar, here is where you would turn your camera and microphone on. So I'll just put my camera on for a second. I'm double screening, so I should really be looking here, but here I am. If I do want to expand the videos and see a slightly bigger view of all the people who are on my table, I can hit the tile view button there along the bottom. And if you do want to go back to the slightly smaller videos, you can hit back to floor there. I'll turn my camera off now. So that's where you'd hit microphone on. There's also the chat function there where you can start a private chat by clicking on one of the participants, or you can add to the general chat by clicking there as well. If you do want to have a sort of private one-to-one conversation, you can actually move to another floor using the left-hand panel here. We tend to stick to floor 1 during the event, but if you head up to 3, 4, 5, 6, it looks exactly the same, but there'll be more opportunity to sort of just have a one-to-one chat there without being interrupted. In the top left-hand corner, if you click on these 3 lines, that's where you can have a look at your settings and review your camera and microphone settings and speaker settings. If you are having issues with your camera and microphone, it's worth clicking on the padlock symbol next to the web page here. Just make sure camera and microphone are set to allow. If you are still experiencing glitches, there's always good old refresh. And you can also quit event along the bottom toolbar there and re-enter. It's amazing how many times this does actually solve problems. Over to the top right-hand corner, this is where you can update your profile. So if I click on my profile here, edit profile, that's where you add a picture, you can put your name, your job title, your company name. You can also add your LinkedIn profile here. We highly recommend you doing this as soon as you've logged on. As you can see, if you hover over somebody else's avatar and click on the avatar, you can see what they do and where they're from. And then, of course, they can see who you are as well. So here's the agenda. If you hover over that, it'll expand. Here's the technical support table where an EPA staff member will help you with any problems. You can double click on an empty seat to join, or you can use the chat function down here and privately message the EPA staff member with the avatar there with the star next to them. Or Maria Stavru, she'll usually have a star next to her name as well, just if you're experiencing any issues. You can zoom in and out. You can drag the floor plan around as well. And there's usually some other sort of bits and bobs to click on. We usually have more information on our upcoming events for the EPA. If you click on there, you can click in the center there and the sponsor will have a link to their website. And you can also click here to view the topic table themes. And the topic tables are usually running along the bottom there. So I think that's about it in terms of technical support and using the platform. Other than that, we look forward to seeing you at EPA at Home.